24. The mass of 1.51 times 10 to the power 23 molecules of CO2 is. Take Avogadro's constant number to be 6.0 times 10 to the power 23. Molar mass of CO2 to be equal to 44.0 grams per mole. A. 22.0 grams. B. 0.55 grams. C. 5.5 grams. D. 11.0 grams. The correct answer is D. 11.0 grams. Explanation. Number of molecules is equal to moles times Avogadro's constant. So to find the moles, we will divide number of molecules, which is 1.51 times 10 to the power 23 by 6.0 times 10 to the power 23. And once you get the moles, mass would be equal to moles times molar mass. So we have 0.252 times 44 grams per mole, which will give you 11.0 grams.